Hi everyone, my name's Jason Roberts. Welcome to my course, Introduction to .NET Testing with NUnit 3. I'm a freelance developer and author. In this course, you're going to learn how to use the NUnit testing framework to make sure your code is working correctly. Some of the major topics that we'll cover in this course include how to set up and run NUnit tests, how to check different types of test results, how to take control of the test execution lifecycle, and how to customize NUnit by creating custom attributes and asserts. By the end of this course, you'll understand how to use NUnit to create automated tests for your code. Before beginning the course, it's recommended that you have at least a basic understanding of C#. I hope you'll join me on this journey with the Introduction to .NET Testing with NUnit 3 course at Pluralsight.